Today we're going to take you on a room tour of the fairly new Universal Stella Nova Resort, which is located within walking distance to Epic Universe, here in Orlando, Florida. We're checking out one of their standard rooms, which comes in at 315 square feet and is designed to comfortably sleep up to 4 guests with 2 plush queen beds. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice the celestial-inspired decor. Think deep blues, starry accents, and subtle lighting that really gives the space a dreamy, out-of-this-world vibe. The attention to detail is fantastic, and you can tell Universal wanted to make every guest feel like they're on a cosmic adventure. Depending on which room you book, you can enjoy a variety of views. Some overlook the resort's beautiful pool area, while others give you a glimpse of Epic Universe Park. No matter the view, the large windows let in plenty of natural light, making the room feel open and inviting. In terms of in-room amenities, Stella Nova's standard rooms are packed with everything you need for a comfortable stay. You'll find a flat-screen TV, complimentary Wi-Fi, a mini fridge, a coffee maker, an in-room safe, and plenty of storage space for your luggage. The bathroom is modern and spacious, with a walk-in shower, premium toiletries, and lots of counter space, making it easy for families to get ready in the morning. During our stay, the wireless internet speed was pretty good, as you can see from our 2 speed tests. Speeds are more than adequate for web surfing and video streaming, so we wouldn't think you would have an internet problem during your visit. If you're thinking about booking a stay, let's talk about rates. For the summer months like July, you can expect nightly rates to average around $180 to $220 per night, depending on availability and view. In October, rates tend to drop a bit, averaging between $150 and $180 per night, which is great for a fall getaway. December brings a mix. Early in the month you might find rates similar to October, but as you get closer to the holidays, prices can climb back up to the $200 to $250 range per night due to increased demand. Since we're talking about hotel rates, now is a good time to make you aware of a hotel booking website that we have recently started using. Planin.com is a fairly new site that offers travelers savings of up to 40% on their stays at over 2 million hotels worldwide, including those in the Orlando theme park area. So if you're considering taking a trip in the near future, you might want to sign up now to see what discounts are being offered. Scan this QR code or check out the link in the description below to create a free membership account and get started. Overall, Universal's Stella Nova Resort offers a fantastic blend of style, comfort, and value, especially for families or groups looking to stay close to all the Universal Orlando action. If you want to see more of this property, check out our full-length video. But if you have any questions about our most recent stay, drop them in the comments below and we will do our best to help. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more hotel room tours just like this.